Hey everyone, welcome back to the StraboSpot channel. I'm Claire. Today we're going to be walking through how to download StraboMicro 2 from StraboSpot. So the first thing you're going to do is open a browser. I'm using Safari. Navigate to strabospot.org, which as you can see in the address bar is strabospot.org. Open the StraboMicro landing page. This is where there's information on the features, an overview of StraboMicro. You click the Download Now button. It should highlight which application type is best for your device. In this case, I have a MacBook Pro, so I'm going to download the version for the Apple Silicon chip. When the installer is finished downloading, you will navigate to your downloads folder or wherever the file was saved to. Open the installer. Here you can see the installer window. You'll drag the StraboMicro 2 application into your applications folder. Then double-click the applications folder to open the list of applications on your device. Here I'm clicking StraboMicro to make sure it's the right app, and then double-clicking to open the application. You get a notice that StraboMicro 2 is downloaded from the internet. Click Open. It only happens one time. The notice appears only the first time you open it. Here you can see my StraboMicro application with a project that I've previously been working on. To download StraboMicro on a Windows computer, you're also going to start with a browser. Go to strabospot.org and the StraboMicro landing page. Click the Download Now button. It will highlight the version that's best for your device. After the application installer is downloaded, click and open that file. There is a warning again about applications downloaded from the internet. After you approve the download, the installer will go through the process of downloading and installing the application. And then after install, the application will open on your device. And if it doesn't, navigate to wherever your applications are found and open StraboMicro 2.